Kidding me? These are freaking awesome. These just showed up. They come in a nice case, you know, with this little carbon fiber look. I had them upside down. But there's 3 ratchets in this set. I mean, for the price, this is insane. So if I just pull the biggest one out, these have 72 tooth. So basically what that means is you don't have, you know, there's less movement needed to get into that next notch. So let me kind of show you. So if I move this barely, like, see it already is in another, it's already in another notch. And what that really allows you to do is get a lot of movement or a lot of rotations with the ratchet. You know, some of the older or not nicer ones, you know, you can move like this much and you still are in, you know, in another notch. Now, on top of that, they also have this adjustment here. And this is a very nice thing to have when you're working in all kinds of different places. You have your reverse, you have your release here, and this one's just an overall, they just feel really nice. There's 3 sizes. So this is the medium one, and then this is the smaller one. So it's really nice to have all these different sizes in the same kit. Now, along with that, it comes with some extensions. This is just your 3/8 extension. This is a 1/2 inch extension, so this will go with the biggest one. Oh, and you know, this would be something that would be a very good gift for someone, for yourself, or if you have a DIYer on your list. They probably don't have all of these. If they maybe have one of these, but they don't have all 3 of them, it's just something really nice to have. And when you need something like this, it's gonna really you know, be handy. I just can't get over it. I've just been playing with these since I got them. So that's the 1/2 inch extension, and then you have your mini extension. So for the smallest size, which is what, the 1/4 inch, you know? So, man, really nice. They sound great. Here, let me, yeah. They're very, very fine toothed in there, 72 teeth, which is just crazy. 180 degrees, flexibility, reversible. That's all, you know, that's it. I mean, it's just all around just a beautiful thing, beautiful set. And I like that it comes in this. It's gonna go right in my toolbox, and they're nice and neat. You know, of course you don't have to keep them in this set. But yeah, I'm not seeing any issue with them. Like everything feels pretty good, you know. Something, you know, for the price of like one of these, you're getting all of this. So this is kind of crazy. This is a really good deal, I think. Very excited for this one.